Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I was optimizing my video. I had just gone to upload my video, 8 ideas for generating passive income. Then I was in my YouTube studio. As I was scrolling, I saw TubeBuddy giving me a suggestion that I add chapters to my videos to make it easy. As I clicked add the chapters, it told me, sorry, you cannot use this chapter with the starter license. It told me unlock the feature and add more add more. Upgrade to a higher license. So my tutorial today, I'm educating you about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy, you'll be able to grow your YouTube audience. With TubeBuddy is a rated YouTube video optimization and management toolkit. So we'll go to upgrading. We're in upgrading status. I entered for 1 month. 1 month they are charging me $3 for the pro tier package. The star package is the most popular. This is for creators looking to achieve maximum efficiency and timing. It is charging $9.4, and for legend is $24 per month. I would save my money. I picked the 1 year package offer. So that for monthly they were now charging me 7.9, and this one had reduced from $24 to 19.6. That's a saving at least $5. And here it had reduced from $3 to $2.4 per month. So I opted to pick this package. I selected the package, and I was told this pro tire package. So I came here and I was using the build cycle for a yearly. There was a 20% 20% offer. So I had to script my coupon code. Initially, before putting the coupon code, the price was $28. But once I kept the coupon code and said apply, it reduced to 20% off as a thank you. So I saw now it has reduced to $23, and I will be able I'll be able to pay for the package. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. I will come to PayPal. It tells me 20% off as a thank you. So I'll come to my PayPal, and I'll be able to say PayPal. I'll have to make the payment. You either have to use your PayPal, or you have to use your your PayPal, or use your card. Once you come here, you'll be able to log in, and you'll be able to buy that buy that package. Thank you. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for being with me. Thank you.